If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, show that angle A is equal to angle B. This is the sixth sum given in your textbook in exercise 8.1. Now, when you are drawing a diagram for this, cos A and cos B should be drawn in such a way that they are the acute angles. A and B should be the acute angle, only then the cos of that will match with cos of B. So, by mistake, you cannot mark A here in the right angles place. Okay, are you understanding? So, if you are drawing like this, C will be obviously the angle at which 90 degrees is made. Okay. Now, cos A. Cos A by definition is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So, with respect to angle A, cos A is equal to AC divided by hypotenuse AB. Can you tell me what is with respect to angle B? Angle B is the vertical angle. With respect to angle B, cos B is equal to BC divided by AB. Are you following? It is given that cos A equal to cos B. Therefore, you will get cos A is equal to cos B means AC divided by AB is equal to BC by AB. AB and AB will get cancelled. We get AC is equal to BC. AC equal to BC means what? Both the sides are equal. Therefore, the angles opposite to the equal sides should be equal. That means angle A should be equal to angle B. That is, the triangle is a right isosceles triangle. Therefore, we get angle A is equal to angle B. Hence the result. You have to write like this. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B. So, we are moving to 8th sum now. All of you please read the 8th sum. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. This is the question. Once again, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. In this sum, we have to find the left hand side separately, RHS separately, and find out whether they are equal or not. Now, as far as the left hand side is concerned, here we can easily get the value of cot A like what we did in one of the previous sums. And then the inverse of cot A is tan A. So, we can easily find out what is 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A. That's very easy. Whereas, on the other side, we have to know the cos value and the sin value. Otherwise, we won't be able to get this answer, cos square A minus sin square A. So, for that, we have to anyway draw the diagram. So, we will draw the diagram in such a way, keeping the acute angle as A and then right angle as B and C. Now, for the first step, so cot A is given to be 4 by 3. It is given 3 cot A is equal to 4. Therefore, cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot A 4 by 3 means the adjacent side is 4 and then opposite side is 3. So, we have got 4 and 3 are the adjacent sides and also the opposite side of this triangle. Now, 3 and 4 are the two sides means they are the right triangle, and therefore by Pythagoras this has to be 5. If you are still not thorough with that, better you work out and tell me. That is, AC square is equal to BC square plus BA square. So, you will get 3 square plus 4 square. So, AC square is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. AC is equal to 5. Therefore, I have got AC as 5 centimeter. Are you understanding? So, we have introduced one K here. So, 3K, 4K and 5K are the sides of this triangle. Okay. Now, let us find out what is the value 1 minus tan square A. So, 1 minus tan square A is, here cot A I have got to be 4 by 3. Therefore, obviously tan A has to be 3 by 4. So, cot A is equal to 4 by 3 means tan A is equal to reciprocal of this 3 by 4. Therefore, the LHS value is 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square, which can be simplified as, I'll write down LHS here. So, which is nothing but 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So, it is 16 minus 9 by 16, and then reciprocal of this, obviously the 16 will go up and we will get 16 plus 9, this 2 will get cancelled. We have got 7 by 25 for the LHS value. Understood? So, this is 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. That 16 minus 9 gives you 7 by 16 for the numerator, and then 16 will come for the denominator, and denominator 16 plus 9 25 will come here, and then this 16 will go up. This is a very simple rule of fraction division. 16 cancels, so you have got 7 here and you have got 25. 7 by 25 is the answer for the LHS. Now coming to the RHS. RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. What is cos square A minus sin square A here? We can take it as cos square is 4 by 5 or 4k divided by 5k if your square is 16k square divided by 25k square. So, I will write RHS cos square A is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So, 16k square divided by 25k square. So, cancels. So, 16 by 25. And sin square A is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So, it is 16 minus 9k square divided by 25k square. Obviously, this k square cancels. So, we have got 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. That gives a value 7 by 25. So, RHS is 7 by 25. LHS is 7 by 25. Therefore, what we can write? LHS equal to RHS. Yes, 3 cot A is equal to 4 means cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 7 by 25. We have to write it like this. Okay, so how do you sum up? By writing the answer statement. I'll write down and show it to you. Please take down. So, this has to be your final statement is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, which is equal to 7 by 25. You should finish like this. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So, first we have to, here, we have to draw a right triangle. You're right. That's what we did for the previous sum. Here also we should do like that. So, the values are not given directly. You have got one side value as 5 centimeter, but the sum of other two sides are given, but you are not given the values directly. So, what have we to do? You have to draw a right triangle first. And it is given PQ is equal to 5. Let us mark the sides this as 5 centimeter. And obviously QR plus PR is equal to 25. So let us now keep QR as X. If you take QR as x, what about PR? It is 25 minus x. So this is the first assumption. Okay. So we'll work out here. So if QR is equal to x, so what is PR is equal to 25 minus x. Why? We are given PR plus QR is equal to 25. Therefore, if QR is given to be x, we get PR is equal to 25 minus x. Are you getting it? Now we have to apply Pythagoras theorem for it because the x is an unknown value. First we have to eliminate x. How do we eliminate? So we have to apply Pythagoras theorem for it. So in this triangle, PR square is equal to PQ square plus, please follow the calculations. You are doing it for the first time here, so I need all of you to pay attention properly. Okay, so it is 25 minus x square, the whole square, is equal to PQ square is 5 square plus x square. So as far as the RHS is concerned, you don't have anything more to simplify. 25 plus x square. LHS, we have to use a minus b the whole square. So if you take it as, it must be 25 square, obviously we all know it is 625, and then plus x square, and then the middle term is 2 into 25 into minus x, that gives you minus 50x is equal to 25 plus x square. Now we can cancel this x square and x square here. Now this minus 50x goes to the other side. So 625 minus 25 is giving you 50x. Therefore 600 is equal to 50x. Therefore x is equal to 600 divided by 50. That gives you the answer 12. That is, one of the missing sides is 12. Therefore, what about 25 minus x? 25 minus 12, that is going to give you 13. So once again, I will draw the right triangle with the proper size that we have found out, PQR. Now for x value, we have found out to be 12. For PQ, it is 5 already given to you. The found out value PR is equal to 13. Obviously, 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet and it happens to be correct here. Okay. So up to this, the first part of the calculation is over. The second part is we have to find out what is sin P. What is sin P? P is here. We have placed it here. So it is P is here. Then opposite divided by hypotenuse. Therefore, from the figure you read out, what is sin P? It is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. Now what is cos P? Cos P is what? This is cos P is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. Now what is tan P, children? Tan P, from here you should read out, it must be opposite divided by adjacent. So it is 12 by 5 is the answer. So please check your answers. That completes the exercise. And before we wind up, I want you to try one sum. Please take down. I'll read out for you. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta and multiplied by 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. I want you to evaluate this value with the assumption that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, and then the second sum cot square theta, and here I will give you the steps also. Here cot theta is adjacent divided by opposite, so definitely you have to find out the third side of the triangle in which the hypotenuse can be found out. After finding the hypotenuse, you have to apply for sin theta and cos theta and get this product. And they have to evaluate the final answer. And cot square theta also, it is obviously, it is cot theta is 7 by 8 means cot square is 49 by 64. That we can easily find out. Okay, we will check your answers in the next session. Till then, please try this as homework and come.